So we just paid $45 each to ride for about 3 minutes in a helicopter where the pilot is almost an hour late and the people inside are not very nice. So I was gonna give them a huge shout out and tell you where we are and what we're doing, but probably gonna keep it low key and just make some good content with what we have. So we'll see how it goes. What up?
Alright, first things first, as soon as you go through that gate, phone's gotta stay away. Also, that can't be like actively going.
Okay.
Once you're actually on the helicopter and your seatbelt's buckled, feel free to take videos, take pictures. He flies for the military.
They let you show up late in the military? Tremendously late, but he was really cool. Didn't have very many words to say. Wasn't a very wise guy.
Oh, yeah.
But he flew the helicopter like a G. You'll see it in the footage. He can whip the thing and park it better than I can parallel park my car. Definitely not worth $45, but